Hello guys, today we are going to learn one new thing in SolidWorks. So we will learn how to draw and how to use an image to convert it into 3D model. So let's open SolidWorks. I have SolidWorks 19 and I will use it to perform this activity. So what we will do if we want to draw something or create a 3D model, then first thing is to choose plane. So let's choose front plane. Suppose we are choosing front plane. Okay. After choosing front plane, I will I want to sketch something. Okay. So what we will do, we will draw lines, curves, and something to draw the sketch. But our motive is to use an image or sketch to convert it into 3D model. So let's import the image. How we will import the image? So we will go to tools tab, and tools tab we will use sketch tools. Sketch tools, after selecting sketch tools, we will select this one, sketch picture. Okay, now we have option to choose the picture which the image which we want to convert in 3D model. So I am using here a cartoon image, car cartoon. So let's import it, and it is here. Okay, so this is this has been imported, and now we will have to uh, give a dimension. So suppose we are using this arrow to provide it a dimension. Suppose I am giving it a approximately 10 centimeter, so 100 mm. Okay, so according to that ratio, it has whole curve has been scaled. Okay, okay, so let's do it here. So one thing we can do, we can draw the lines on this the curve we are seeing in this image, but this is uh, laborious work, so we will not perform it. We will use add-ins in SolidWorks. So again we will go to tools tab, and in tools tab we will choose add-ins. Okay, and here we will add a auto trace add-in. Okay, so it has been added. Okay, now we will have to select the region, or now we have added add-ins for auto tracing. So now we will click on this image. Okay, so after clicking on this image, here we have option for tracing. So we have 3 4 options. Use select rectangular area. Suppose we are selecting this rectangular area, then inside this rectangular area image will be auto trace. And another, we will use polygon. Okay, this is hand area, sorry. Okay, freehand, if you just like this, if you move your hand, then inside this area it will trace the curves and lines. Okay, another one is polygon. Okay, and another is drop. So we are using this one. Okay, selecting it here. So what we have to do, we have to put it here and begin tracing. It has been traced, that means whole thing has been traced. What we have to do, we have to adjust these curves. Okay, so how we will adjust it, let's see. First we will try to adjust according to brightness. Okay, so okay, okay, it's not showing here. Okay, okay, no effect. These are used to adjust the curve according to the property of image, contrast and color tolerance and other brightness are those features which are affect the auto tracing of curves. Okay, so now, okay, so what we will do, we will adjust these curves according to our choice. If these are not auto correcting, then we have to correct them. So we are using like this. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Mhm. Let's auto correct them. If you want to replace them with spline, then use the spline. First remove it and then use spline. Okay. So what we will do? Okay. Okay. Approximately it is correct. Now let's see. Okay, for this one, we are going to use it here. Okay, somewhat like this, and we can use a curve instead of this line. Let's remove this curve, and the best way is to use the splines. If you are facing some difficulty, then use splines like this. These are the very helpful curve. Okay, and here we will use a straight line. Okay, because it is straight. So we are using here a straight line. Okay, like that. Okay, again we will use spline here to here, and now after spline we are going to again straight line. Okay, so just we have to use all those curves, and we can also use here splines, but okay, it will work. Now see what happening in the case of it is making like hexagon, but it should be a circle. So let's remove all these things. Okay, 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 and again this is here. We will use straight line here like this, or like this, or like this. Okay, so here straight line is working fine, perfectly. We will also remove all these hexagon like structure. Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, now we will use circle. If auto tracing is not working, then we obviously we will have to use all these things. So first point, second point, good, and third point. Very good. Now remove this portion. Again, use circle and center. Oh my god, what is happening? Good. This is the wheel. Okay. Now, in this case will also be okay. We will 3 point circle. We will take 3 point circle and 2 point, and this is third point. Good. Again, we will use a center plus circle. We will use this center as the center of wheel. What happened? Something is up. What is happening here? No, 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 no. Okay, I will use. Okay, so this is here. Convert. Put it. Good. We will also remove this curve. Okay, so now use some straight lines here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, 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 here. Okay, from here we will use spline. Good. Okay, from here we are going to use spline. Okay, so I choose the spline. The point is wrong. Let's so again here, here, here. Oh, hmm. This is the first point. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, okay. Let's finish. Let's trim this one. Again, we are using spline. We have to use this spline very carefully, otherwise they will also create some undesired curve. Okay, so again I'm deleting it, and it's not working. Okay, let's do something in this. No. Okay, now put this. Okay, so we will use. Good. Now it's completed. Okay, only one circle is remaining for the wheel, and I put that circle also. I think the image has been completed now. Okay, so okay, now we can still it is open. So now we are going to convert it. We have sketched it. Now we are going to convert it into 3D model. So we will use extrude command. So after extrusion, we will extrude it for about how much length? We are using this. Okay, so it has been extruded. Okay, now we have our car. Okay, not working, not just an example how to convert an image into 3D model. Okay, do not take it serious that how the wheels are not working and you are saying it is a car. It's not a car. I'm just giving you an example how to convert an image into 3D model. So I hope you got it, and we will meet in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.